Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be playing Pillar Chase, except we are going to be trying our best to unlock as many monsters as I can today. So right now we are at 247 tokens, or coins, whatever you want to call it. And, let me actually check. Yeah, coins. So far I have Wadi, Inkfell, PCX, Jeffrey Woods, Weist, Springtrap,
Oh my god.
Oh, hell no. What the fuck, man?
Uncle Samsonite, Fogbone, Oni, Baldi, Rosemary, and Bacon. So, we are going to be unlocking as many characters as I can today. So let's just see how that turns out now, shall we? Oh, he's just overpowered as hell. Because he's pretty overpowered. Also, we're cooked. Because this guy. We are legitimately cooked. Dude! We literally just stopped! It's insane how powerful, Mileticus is. No, wait, that's no. What on earth?
What the
Oh my god, this stupid button. No, I don't want voice chat. I'm so it didn't do nothing for me. So let's see if we can complete any goals this round possible. 300 tokens? Okay. That was a bad idea. Come on. What the hell? I'm cooked. I'm cooked. Yeah. Okay. Oh, Brogues got cooked. Oh, Brogues got cooked. Oh, Brogues got cooked. Oh, Brogues got cooked. Why did the word cuz autocorrect to Chase? That doesn't even make sense. Okay, well, it's gonna be me, and it's gonna be me as Frogborn, so that's nice. So let's do this, guys. Let's do it. Also, let me just say my bad if the background noise is kind of loud. I'm eating my dinner right now. I am.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bro. Come here. Oh, come on. Bro. Why wouldn't I? I'm not just gonna not kill my friend. I gotta win. Where the hell did he go? Dude, this kid, oh my god. Let's see here. Of course they're on the other side. Why wouldn't they be? Are you? Are you kidding me, bro? You don't need to heal with 120. Alright, well, I'm gonna try it only next time. Bro. Hold up. I couldn't even tell what he said. Oh, no, the flashlight. Or has not played these games before. Crap. It is so annoying. So annoying, bro. I at least want to unlock one character in this video. Just one. That's all I ask of. Oh, please, Danny. I beg of you. Bro. What did... Oh, right. Okay. What was... What... Bro. Alright, well that round kind of sucked. Here's the fatty again. Yep. Shoddy like a melody. This is probably going to be the next one I try to get. EXE. Dang. MX is overpowered. How? Oh, come on. Alexa. He's up here, isn't he? I gotta watch out for traps this time. Don't think it's an item and step in it like last time. I don't know if I was making a video when that happened. The last time that didn't even happen. Okay, he just placed a trap. Somewhere. He did place one there. Ah, come on. What? My guy is so chill. Yo. That was so nice. What? That's probably not the case, though. Yep. Damn. I lucked out this round. Very indeed. Yes! Yay! Hooray! Yay! Sick. Spinning. You don't. For real though, you don't. Well, I think that's enough for today, folks. We did gain quite a couple coins in Pillar Chase, but we did not manage to get a new character. Maybe in the next one. Peace out.